Welcome back to Scimath videos. So ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎರಡು ಭಾಗ ಆಗಿ the first part was 1 mark and 2 mark, and the second part was for 3 and 4 marks and 5 marks. In depth I have gone, very detailed I have gone. I wanted you to give ideas to solve the problem, not only to get the answer. I have solved it like you people solve, like anybody else solve. So I have taken, if you take both the time, part 1 and part 2, around 2.5 hours. So basically it is just like writing exam in detail I have gone. So if you're not watched, please watch. I'm damn sure that it will definitely help you to get lot of inputs to solve the problems, to understanding the question paper, and important suggestion and tips will also have given in the both the videos. Now this video is basically to analyze the model paper and what changes you can expect from the this model paper with preparatory, upcoming board state level preparatory and the final exam. What minute changes you can expect from the, you will not have exact type, some changes will be, but most of the things will remain as it is. I mean, not the questions, but the type of questions will remain as it is. So that is what we are going to analyze here. Firstly, we'll go to the 1 markers. If you see 1 markers in from polynomials, just a minute. Yeah. From polynomials, they have asked 2 1-mark questions. So generally, this is the same. If you analyze, I have analyzed so many years of paper. So what I have concluded is, from polynomial, there will always be 2 1-markers. So basically, they want to test whether you know that to find the, the product and sum of zero, the concept of alpha, beta, alpha into beta, the sum of zeros, the product of zero, this concept that can be asked for 1 marks. Next, generally they asked, one more thing that they ask here is the number of zeros. They'll give a graph and they will ask find the number of zeros. So now you know this, right? In 1 mark, so how many zeros this has? You just need to see this graph where it is meeting with the x-axis. So this has how many zeros? 3 zeros. So this is one type of question they ask. And next important type is they given polynomial and they ask what is the degree of the polynomial. This, for example, x to the power 4 plus 3x square. If this is an expression, what is the degree? Highest power is the degree. So this is one type of question they regularly ask from this chapter polynomial, and you can definitely expect 2 questions. So this is this 3 variety. From this 3 variety, any 2, I am damn sure they will give it. Next is your probability. This also will never change, always 1 mark, and this 1 mark will be very simple. It will be like this concept, P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. So this concept, what you have, what they will do is they will tell that the probability of an event, like in rain coming, is 0.4. What is the probability that rain does not come? It is 0.6. Just you have to subtract with 1. So you will get a simple problem based on this probability, and I'm damn sure it will not cross more than 1 marks. You will definitely have 1 marks. Next, coming to AP. AP, here in this question paper, there are 2 questions. If you see last year paper, there are not even 1 question from AP in 1 marks. That's because they have given they were added in 4 marks. The question, the AP question is in 4 marks. So, and somehow they have not given not even 1 question from AP, but if at all they give, it will be very simple and direct. It will be 1 in MCQ and 1 in very short answer. Generally, they will ask direct formulas, AN formula, SN formulas, and generally they will ask the position. They'll give an AP. They will ask what is the common difference, or they will give some examples. I'll definitely explain 1 mark video. I'll just in future I'll make a 1 mark video of the important questions, but it will be very simple. So here in this question mark, in this question paper, 2 questions are there, but this 2, exactly 2, it may come or may not come. This you can take it as a star. Can come or may not come. Next, pair of linear equation. In this question paper, there is only 1 question, but you can definitely expect 1 question or maximum 2 question. And obviously from pair of linear equation, that question will be on the concept of the intersecting line, equation for intersecting line, equation for parallel line, equation for coincident line. So this concept, that entire table that is there, the table that is there in the textbook, to understand this concept. What do you mean by intersecting line? What is the equation for intersecting line? How many solutions are there for intersecting line? How many solutions are there for parallel line and coincident line? Whether they're consistent or inconsistent, that concept, that is very important. I'm damn sure that one question is fixed. Additional one question can be asked in your board or in your upcoming exam. Next, surprisingly, this model paper has 3 questions from trigonometry. 3 1-mark question. But if you see last year paper, not even one question is asked in 1 marks. That's because trigonometry is asked for 3 marks 1 question, and again 2 mark 1 question. So basically from trigonometry it is 5 marks. Generally it is 5 marks. It may go up to 6, but generally it is 5 marks. So if you see last year final exam paper, 1 question was there for 3 marks, 1 question was there for 2 marks. But here in this model paper, 3 1 marks question is asked. So this can vary. This I'll put a star. This can be little in your coming exam. It can be, it cannot be. Next. So here in our model paper, what has happened is this 3 marks question is not only there. No 3 marks question in our this board model paper. We have 2 mark question and 3 1 mark. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So in your upcoming board exam, this can change. They can ask 1 question or 2 question or 3 question, and they can vary here. So generally you will never get a 4 marks. 100% no, not a 4 mark question. It may be 2 mark question or 3 mark question. Or what they might do is they might ask a 3 mark question, and this may be 2 question here. Trigonometry can be 1 mark, they might ask 2 question. Only 2 options. Either they will ask 3 1 mark question and 1 2 mark question, or 2 1 mark question and 1 3 mark question. Other than that, there is no other option. So what, either you will get no 1 mark, there will not be not even 1 mark question. You might get a 2 mark question and you might get a 3 mark question. Or here my strong gut feeling is you might get 2 questions from trigonometry, and 3 marks can be a 3 marks question. They can ask a 3 mark question and 2 proof problem, or they can follow the same 3 1 mark question and 2 1 mark question. So here what you should do is you should know some basic concepts of trigonometric ratios. You should know the concepts of complementary angle. So, and 2 proof problems. 2 proof problems, I will do a master class on this. I've already done a class last year. You can either watch that video or the textbook problems that is there in trigonometry. Please first try to solve it and understand it. So that is from trigonometry. So coming to circles, 100% no change, you'll get a 1 mark question. Basically, this 1 mark question will be on simple definitions of tangent and secant, number of like you in the circles chapter, if you open the exercise, the first main is some 1 mark question, some MCQs are there, some true or false type of questions are there. Simple 1 marks question directly will be asked from these circles. It will be very simple. I will discuss what type of questions will come in further videos. So here I'm damn sure you will have 1 mark, 1 question itself from circles. No more, no less. Because circles maximum only 4 marks they can ask. In that 3 marks is already a sure question which will never change. That is the theorem. There are 2 theorems. That is a sure question. So remaining 1 mark will be from 1 marker itself. Next, coming to real number. Here I'm damn sure that you will have 2 questions from the real number. One will be Euclid's the concept on any question concept on Euclid lemma, and one more question will be definitely be sure from this concept LCM of a number and HCF of if given 2 numbers, LCM into HCF of those numbers will be product of A into B. This concept. So this one I'm damn sure that there will be a question. So the 2 mark is sure. So real numbers, it is 5 mark, total 5 marks, 2 marks here, and sorry, 4 marks, around 4 marks. So 2 marks is from, prove irrational. That is a 100% confirm question. Next, quadratic equation. Here there is only 1 question that is there. Generally it might be 1 or 2. So here your focus should be on practicing discriminant concept of discriminant. They can definitely ask a question on discriminant concept, that discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಅಥವಾ the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. They might give an quadratic equation which is not right, means it be like this somewhat, ಈ ತರ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ make it standard form ಅಂತ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So quadratic equation, definitely you'll have one question and maximum 2 questions. Next, surface area volume is, I'm damn sure you will have 2 questions. Obviously these 2 questions will be based on formula table, so please by heart, not to by heart, sorry, don't by heart. Please try to understand these formulas. If you not understood, please watch my master class, which is already uploaded in my channel, where a detailed explanation is given on how to understand these formulas. Next, triangles, only 1 mark it is there, so that may be 1 or 2 marks. So in triangles, there are 4 different concepts that evaluators want to check. First concept is BPT. Second concept is angle. Third concept is area ratio theorem. And third concept is Pythagoras. So we as a paper setter, any paper setter, want to check whether you have understood all these 4 concepts. So here what we do generally is, any one theorem will be asked, direct theorem will be asked in exam. Now let's imagine Pythagoras is asked in examination. Now somehow they will try to ask question based on other 3 concepts that is there here. In this board model paper, what has happened? BPT theorem is given. So what he has done, in 3 mark, he has in 2 mark, he has tried to, in 3 mark, he has given a question in triangles, where you need to know the concept of angle and area ratio to solve it. And Pythagoras, he has asked in 1 mark. Right? So hange nimge exam alli en ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 1 ಅಥವಾ 2 question ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It may be on BPT, angle, area ratio, and Pythagoras. This also I'll be discussing in future videos. Basically, 1 or 2 is definite. Next, coming to 2 markers. Here I've already highlighted with red color, with yellow color, which clearly indicates these are the confirmed question, no change. You will definitely 100% sure have this question. Firstly, from real numbers, prove irrational. Prove 2 plus root 3 irrational, or 3 plus root 5 irrational, or 5 minus root 7 irrational. So you will definitely have, this is a confirmed question, no change, nothing will happen from here. Next, elimination is again an 100% question. Idrallu ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಯಥಾವತ್ತಾಗಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಇದು 100% 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ APL ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ solution that you have to solve using quadratic formula, this is also a 100% question. This 4 questions are definitely damn sure question. Next, coming to trigonometry. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ trigonometry ಇಂದ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ shifted to 3 or 2, it can be shifted to 3 marks also in your upcoming preparatory and your board. So I've already told, try to practice to prove problems that is there in your textbook first. Next, coming to probability, this will 100% you will have a question from 2 mark itself. 2 marks ke baro probability inda, but ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಓದೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ you can definitely ಇದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. It will be very simple. So this also you can take it as a confirm question, no change, this place will remain as it is. Next, coordinate geometry, ನನ್ನ ಅನ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 200% confirm, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ construction, that will be construction of tangents. 2 type of question here. One is that you have to draw tangents from 9 centimeter away from center, or 5 centimeter away from center, or 10 centimeter away from center question. Or you have to draw tangents from external point, the tangents are inclined at 60 degree, or 70 degree, or 80 degree. ಈ ತರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. So here Confirm questions. What are the confirm questions? Real numbers to prove problem, elimination, AP, quadratic formula, coordinate geometry and construction are confirm. Even probability is confirm. ಒಂದೇ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ either trigonometry or triangles. Other than that, no other questions will be asked. So here, when you prepare, you make sure you prepare for, obviously you'll be preparing for triangles. The other students, if you want to score, this is the only changes that can happen in your upcoming exam. Next, coming to 3 marks. So illi yellow color basically ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, polynomial division is a confirm question. So no change. Triangles, or as I told, it can be replaced with, like I already said in the, it can be replaced with what I just told you now. Trigonometry replace ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನ. So trigonometry ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ನ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದನ್ನ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ you have to make sure. Triangles or trigonometry, this change will be. And here, so statistics, no change as it is. More or mean, median is an 100% question. Ogive less than or more than is an 100% question. Coordinate geometry is an 100% question. Please practice problems on area formula. Next, circle theorem is an 100% question. Passago students ge nodi 4 question 100% ide illi. Next innondide here construction is also of similar triangle is also 100% question. Passago students ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, yellow color ಏನು ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, 1 2 3 4 5. So here 5 questions are definite. You can easily solve it. 5 3s are 15 marks. You can easily get from this 3 markers itself. So here, then coming to ಏನ್ changes. Irritated circle 100% 3 marks question ಬರೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ 4 marks ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ, 3 marks ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ you need to practice from your textbook example problems, exercise problems, and understand the concept, especially the last exercise where you will get shaded area problems. So basically here we want to check whether you know area of sector formula, area of segment formula, you know how to subtract the shaded part, the area of equilateral triangle, and length of an arc. So we want to check those concepts that's there. So anyhow, on this I will do few master class also in coming days. So this, it's a 100% question we need to practice. Idu change ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Next, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ quadratic equation verbal problem. So idu shift ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. It can go to 4 marks and this can be replaced with AP 3 marks. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ quadratic equation ಇರಬಹುದು, APR ಇರಬಹುದು. Okay, so ಇದೊಂದು change ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. In ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ as it is. ಆಮೇಲೆ triangles, as I told, it can be triangles or trigonometry. So next, coming to 4 marks. ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 marks AP ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು 3 marks and quadratic equation can come to 4 marks. This you should be prepared for this change. Next, linear equation graph 100% question. now ಥೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್, ಆಂಗಲ್ 4 ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಮ್ 100% ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You should know all the 4 theorems. You should know all the 4 theorems. Again I am saying, please practice. ಓದೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 15, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ 23 marks ಇಷ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 2 marks ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, 10 marks 33 marks ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 marks. ಅದು ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 40 marks. I will do one more video on passing package also. I will do, already it is done, but still I will do for those who want to pass. Next, application of trigonometry 100% ಈ ಜಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 4 marks ಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So in ಏನಾದರೂ changes ಇದ್ರೆ, if there is any changes, that will be in 4 markers. Either it will be AP or quadratic equation. That's all. Overall problem from quadratic equation. Next, 5 markers. I'm 100% sure it will be surface area and volumes again. So please practice properly. If you are lucky enough, surface area might go to the 4 marks question and you might get a theorem. If you're lucky enough, a theorem on 5 marks. 5 marks theorem ಯಾದಾರು 4 ಯಾದಾರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. So this is what the changes can be expected. Or sometimes even AP is given for 5 marks. ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 5 marks it might be surface area volume, it might be theorem, it might be AP question. That's all. So it ಮೂರಲ್ಲೇ changes ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So here I'm 90% sure it will be surface area and volume again. So or theorem or AP. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ theorem AP ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ theorem or AP. So it will go to surface area volume place. It will go to the 4 markers and here 5 markers will be AP. ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇದು 4 marks ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. AP ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So hopefully this is the to the point analysis of your board paper that is there and your upcoming ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ your ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೂಡ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ there will be not even a slight deviation from whatever I explained you till now. This is my very thorough detailed analysis of your model paper and your in this ಈ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫೇರ್ ಎನಫ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್, ನೌ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆನ್ where you can score extra. Now you need to practice problems on triangles, trigonometry to prove problems, quadratic equation verbal, AP verbal problems. You have to focus on application of trigonometry, you have to focus on surface area volume, you have to focus on area related to circle. Ilella ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ time ಕೊಟ್ಟು try to improve your score in mathematics. So with that, thanks for watching. Kindly share and subscribe and kindly follow my videos and join my WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Thank you.